Start.
Start.
Okay, Guruji, Mr. Nitin Balyanji. I just wanted to ask you one question. As you mentioned that there are no free lunches in this world. So can you please explain it how it is?
Sure, Bhupendra. As I said, there are no free lunches in this world. Everybody is selfish. I know you don't agree with my statement, but let me prove it. Every single relationship in this world, selfish. Even a mother is the most selfish person on this earth. Why? Why? They actually give a baby because they want somebody to continue with their family and all that. Because they want that somebody should in their old age should pay them back, should help them, should support them. All these perspectives in life are based. They all are interrelated. Suppose if I am helping you today, tomorrow I will demand something from you. Even your wife, she wants mental support, social support, financial support. That's why she is with you. Even if you are in love, that is based on the facts that somebody likes you on the basis of your characteristics. Okay, this is the point I like, this is the point I like, means I like, that's why I love you, not what you are exactly, not properly.
Okay.
So all these things.
I have a very simple question to you that, do you believe that there is some divine, power is there which is revolving this earth? This universe is revolving just because of that power, right?
Relationship पे बात कर रहे थे.
Right. So do you really think that what is the selfishness of that power behind, running this entire universe? Can you explain it? Please tell me. Okay.
So divine power. Now, according to Hindu religion, your divine power is Lord Krishna or Lord Ganesha. Who are they? What do you consider divine power? First, if you consider these gods as divine power, even in the Lord Krishna, who helped Pandavas in those battles, was based on the selfishness. Because he don't want to help them actually to get their area back or whatsoever, or to their land or Rhine or superior things. Right. No, he was proving his supremacy. He want to prove that this is dharma. According to him, whatever is believed that this is dharma, he wanted to prove that. That's why he had Pandavas, and that's how he achieved that. So are you talking about the same divine power, or you are talking about some other divine power?
I was talking about simply selfishness. As you mentioned that, each and every individual or everything in this world is with selfishness.
Everybody.
Without selfishness, nothing is possible on this earth. Right? So my question was that why that divine power is revolving this entire universe? Why that power is maintaining this universe? Why? What is the selfishness behind that? My question was that. And you have just taken it to the battle and all. I'm not talking about particularly human beings only. You talked about selfishness of each and everything or each and everyone on this earth.
Yeah, each and everyone on the universe. I'm talking about the human beings only. The relationship perspective.
Okay.
Not about the divine power and the energy which is, yes, they are metals, they are elements, they don't have feelings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We have feelings, we have everything. We define love, so-called love.
Mm-hmm.
We are in that trap. I want to take that idea from the people that love is a dictionary word which is accepted by a human being or used by a human being in certain situations where he or she get trapped actually.
Okay.
Now you will say no, certain behavior, it depends upon each and individual nature or behavior. What is nature and behavior? Behavior changes within a fraction of a second.
Right.
Now suppose in an environment where you are sitting, I am not happy, 4 more people are not happy, will you be happy? That whole environment will break you a second within a fraction of a second. Maybe you will move out of the room. Maybe you try to make them understand that no, don't do this. So your behavior, your characteristics will change immediately.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I am trying to say.
Mm-hmm.
So this nature and behavior, you say on individual basis, yes, it depends on individual, but that is instant reaction. That is not a heritage to you that this is your behavior and it will continue. No, it can change any point of time. So love will change at any point of time.
Mm-hmm. So a very simple question. I mean, a long time back we had seen an animal called Satish Kumar, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you really think, that animal is also, full of selfishness and which the topic which we were discussing?
Yes. Can you mention any particular incident?
I cannot recall right now, but I just want to, because you have been with him for a long time, so you can better tell him about him. right?
यूनिवर्सल हमारी